Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having a chat about what I'm taking with me on our big trip to craft with. I'm planning to do some very scaled down scrapbooking. We're going to the States and I always keep a journal when we go away, and I write up a trip report when we come back. This time, however, I've decided to take a traveler's notebook with me and do it in almost like a creative journaling way. I don't know if I will end up doing it. That's the plan at the moment. I've started it when we were 16 days to go. Sorry, I've got my windows open in here and now I've got a couple of flies. It's really hot and sticky. They're doing my head in. But that's the plan. I have bought a little sprocket, a handheld printer. I did do a video on this when I received it, which I will link up below. So I'm just going to run through everything that I'm taking with me for creating on the go. That's kind of like scrapbooking and journaling. So in here I've got my sprocket with the cable, and I've got a fair bit of photo paper. The plan was to do one photo a day, but I may well end up doing more than that. So I've got the paper there just in case. I've obviously got my traveler's notebook, which I plan to document in. So that's the only form of paper I'm taking. I'm taking my Webster's Pages pouch with me. In here I have got, I love these uni ball pens. I've got them in various different colours. I've got those. I've got a few pencils and pens from Target. I've got a couple of highlighters. I've got a rubber. I've got watercolour pencils, and I am going to grab a watercolour paintbrush. I've also got my black micron pens and some little post-its as well. So that's in there. These are all going in my hand luggage with me. Now in my check luggage I've got this pouch here. The Cocoa Daisy bags that I get the pocket kits in are really handy for scrapbooking on the go, because I love seeing what's exactly in my pouch. So I'm reusing these for that purpose. I've got two little sticky rollers with me. Double-sided sticky tape, my favourite pair of scissors. Obviously these are going in my check luggage. The other day I bought myself a teeny weeny little stapler. The staples are the same regular size, but it's just really cute. With some staples, it came in a pack of 2 for $6.99. I'll link those up below as well. And then I've got some little post-its. I'm keeping post-its in my purse just to jot down anything maybe the kids say or anything that happens. So just in case I haven't got my journal on me or something like that, I've always got these post-its on me, because when we're out and about, we are going to Disney as well, I won't have my traveler's notebook on me, and quite often the kids say something and you always think, oh, I'm going to remember that, but you don't always. So I've got post-its with me in my purse. These are my top-ups when the ones in my purse have run out. So I will have those. Now, as far as scrapbooking supplies go, again, I've got my little bag here. I have gone through my kits. I did a purge the other day. Did you see the video? I went through all my Cocoa Daisy things. It was such a nice feeling. I'll link that video up below for you. I have basically gone through and taken out just sticker sheets, die cuts and things. I am going to keep this journaling to an absolute minimum. So it could be one day I've literally just got journaling and a photograph and maybe just a couple of stickers with some doodling around the outside. I might use a journal card. I am really going to keep it very minimal, but I just want a really nice journal to come home with. So that's why I'm thinking print one photo a day, add all my journaling and a little bit of kind of like scrappy decoration, and it should look really nice when we come back. So I have taken out, I've got another bag here, and this is for loose odds and ends, just die cuts and different things like that. I have gone through and checked everything to make sure that everything is relevant to this trip. I don't want to take stuff with me, for example, like the Eiffel Tower or Statue of Liberty die cut. We're not going anywhere near like that. So got flowers, summery things, leaves, things that I know will be appropriate to my pages. The journal cards are fantastic, so I've got a load of those. I've got arrows and things like that. I think I can possibly streamline. I've got some words here I thought were a good idea. Realistically, I don't think I will use those. Things like these, the word strips, really handy. I've got a couple of alphabet sheets, and I've got a wad of Simple Stories stickers, the Say Cheese 3 collection. These will be very handy on a Disney trip. Now I have got a whole pile of journal cards here, so I thought I would quickly go through these and decide which ones I would take. Some of them are more appropriate than others. Obviously that one's a bit Christmassy, so that one isn't, so I'm going to put the ones I'm not going to take on that pile. This one, for example, will be perfect. So I'm going to go through these and decide which ones I'm going to take with me. These are my cards that I'm going to take. They've got some great spots for journaling, and the others are a little bit more seasonal. I don't want too many because at the end of the day I can't write on every single one, but I am now, I think, more or less set for this trip. So that's exactly what I'm taking. And like I said, I think the key is to keep it really simple, scale it down. If I try and make it too complicated, I know I'm not going to want to do it, and I won't keep the documenting side up. And obviously at the end of the day, the main purpose why I'm doing this is to keep our stories and remember everything for when I come back. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's answered all your questions. I know a couple of you had asked me about what I was taking away to scrapbook, create, whatever you want to call it, with me. So this is it. Please tell me, do you also scrapbook, journal, or write notes when you're away? I would love to know how you write up your trips, whether it be a day trip, a weekend, or a full holiday. How do you document yours? How do you remember all your stories? I would love to know. Please leave me a comment below, and please give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.